Hello everyone, have you tried the module figure 8? Alright, so let's go through the module figure 8. So you're supposed to do every day, right? According to teachers. So actually this module is prepared for Form 5 students this year that are going to sit for SPM next year. Alright, module figure 8 sounds very nice. So the question also quite easy, I guess. So let's go through the question. So road to success. Yes, you are heading to the successful journey. Alright, so this is the message from your teachers. So success all depends on the second letter U, right? You understand? This is very meaningful. I like this. You are the one that will determine whether you will be successful person or not, right? Okay, so let's get started with the class. Have you tried the simultaneous equation? So we actually try to plan out, because you have 1 week, right? 21, today is 21st, right? 21st to 25th. So you have how many questions? You got 1, 2, 3. These 3 are simultaneous equation. 4. You have 4, 5 vectors, and then only 5 questions. Easy, right? One day you do 1 question. Yes, so let's get start with the question 1. Have you tried? I'm going to discuss question 1 today because I actually choose to discuss every day, then after 1 week. Alright, so maybe we try to do 1 question per day, and then we discuss. Then the next day you do, then I will discuss again with you. Alright, okay, so let's get started with the simultaneous equation. Is very simple, isn't it? I'm sure everyone know how to do. So let's see how. So today's date, today's 21, right? Let me write down the date. 21st, right? So okay, today is a very special day, right? Alright, so simultaneous equation, it comes with a linear equation and non-linear equation. So okay, let's label down which one is linear. So this is linear. It looks very easy. Okay, and this one is called non-linear, because you can see if it is linear, the power here is 1. And if non-linear, the power is more than 1, maybe 2, maybe -1. It can be any power other than 1. Okay, so the linear equation means that the unknown comes with a power 1 or index 1. So we always start from the linear. The linear looks easy, right? So you start from the easy one. Okay, from the linear one, you express your unknown. You let either m or n one side, one person, 1m. Alright, so if I look at that equation, I will directly do like that. I won't use n. I will use m, because m is already 1m, right? So we will actually do like this. Let m, okay, equal to 1 minus 3n. We read as express m in terms of n. Understand? So now, in order to solve the equation, you must make one equation have one unknown only. So you look at the other equation. Alright, so I'm going to show you. This is equation number 2. You have m and n, so you cannot solve. So you must convert to one unknown. Alright, so how to convert is you substitute 1 into 2. Alright, so we use substitution. Okay, substitute. So you sub 1 into 2. Sub the easy one. Okay, substitute. I write short form. Okay, so I'm going to substitute the 1 into 2. So let's copy down the 2 carefully. So we have m squared, right? We are going to substitute the 1 minus 3n later. We have 3m. Okay, when you copy carefully. Make sure you don't change the equation. Okay, now I'm going to substitute the m with 1 minus 3n. So when I see m, I will use 1 minus 3n. Alright, so like this, I will write 1 minus 3n square plus 3. I copy plus, copy 3, then I see m, I will substitute with 1 minus 3n. Okay, understand? Then the rest you just copy. Alright, okay, easy, right? Isn't it easy? Okay, so again I say we use substitution. We will substitute m with 1 minus 3n. There is a square. Alright, so the plus still there, 3 still there. Then when you see m, you will sub with the 1 minus 3n. Alright, okay, now we need to do expansion. So how to do expansion? Do you have problem to expand this one? 1 minus 3n square. Square means multiply by itself twice. Alright, then this one I'm sure you know, 3 times 1. You just distribute the 3 times 1, then 3 times negative 9n plus 5n equal to 20, right? Alright, okay, no problem. Now we need to do it carefully. 1 times 1 is 1, right? 1 times negative 3n is negative 3n. Negative 3n times 1, negative 3n. Okay, can follow? Negative and negative become positive. 3 times 3 is 9. N times n is 9n squared. Alright? Okay, now we copy the rest carefully. And we are going to simplify. Right? Okay, now when you simplify, you do it carefully. Alright? Now I'm going to highlight this one is 9n squared, the only one with the n squared. Alright, then after that I will simplify the like term, followed by this one, negative 9n plus 5n. So I just look at the number. So you can actually press your calculator if you want. You press your calculator, negative 3 minus 9 plus 5. Okay, we simplify the number. So you got minus 15 plus 5. So it's minus 10. Don't forget the n. Alright, we focus the number, then we copy back the n. Okay, we have settled the n. Now we are going to focus to the number. Okay, where's the number? Constant. Let's focus to the constant. So the constant are, we have 1, we have 3, we have 20, but all must come to the left, right? So you have 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 minus 20, right? So it's minus 16, right? Alright, equal to 0. Okay, make sure you double check so that you don't have careless mistake. So you can use a calculator, you can plug into your calculator and factorize. Alright, okay, after you factorize, you will get the answer. Right, okay, I'm waiting for you to factorize. Take out your calculator and factorize. Alright, so give you 1 second. So what is the answer? Alright, so I'm sure you can get the answer right. You try to use 9n plus 8 and n 2 minus 2, because 9 times n, 9m times n, 9n squared, and then this one is negative 18n, right? Double check. Okay, I double check this one. Yes, I got it right. And then followed by, I'm going to check carefully so that I won't have careless mistake. Right, we are very careless, so we can check. So this is negative 18n plus 8n, so I'm getting negative 10n, right? Then finally I will get the number and multiply. I check. Okay, I'm going to check my number, multiply. Am I getting the negative 16, right? Yes. Alright, so it seems like the factorization is complete, right? So I'm sure you can do, because you can use a calculator, right? So no problem, you can use your calculator. Okay, so now you solve the n. So the n is negative 8 over 9, right? Another one is n equal to 2, right? Okay, don't stop doing. Before you solve the question, you must double check. You should have m and n. So your m is equal to 1 minus 3n, right? So you have to find back your m. Okay, now we go back to the, okay, here 1 minus 3n, right? Okay, you substitute your n inside to find your m. So negative 8 over 9, right? Okay, so you can use a calculator if you want. So it's 1 plus 8 over 3, right? Got it? So okay, how I get the 8 over 3? I actually simplify the 3 and 9, and negative become positive, right? So finally we prefer the answer like this. You can write the answer. This is 3 over 3, right? Times 3 over 3 is 11 over 3. Alright? Okay? So no problem. You can give me in mixed fraction, or you can give me in improper fraction. Alright, so settle. Now we go to n equal to 2. When n equal to 2, what is the answer then for the m? So m is 1 minus 3 times 2. This one looks easy. Minus 6. So 1 minus 6, so m is negative 5. So everyone is careless, so we need to reduce our careless mistake. Alright, so finally we will have the answer. Okay, we write all the answer one shot. Okay, finally, final solution. Okay, should have 4 answers, right? Alright, so you write your answer nicely in one row, can like this. So that means we follow the order. When the n is negative 8 over 9, then the m will be 11 over 3, and then when the n is, what's the n just now? 2, right? Then the m is negative 5, right? 1 minus 6 will be negative 5. Okay, so this is your final answer for question 1 that you're supposed to solve it today. Alright, so I'm sure everyone can get the answer. Negative 8 over 9, 11 over 3 for n and m. Then the other one is 2 and negative 5. Alright, so I think this is the answer that I would like to share with you. Keep on practice. Alright. Alright, that's all my sharing for today. Till then, I shall see you in my next video sharing. Bye bye and have a nice day.